Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Engineering Network. Today we will learn about basic parts of a staircase and some facts about designing a staircase. So today video is going to be very interesting and informative one. So watch it till the end. Before we start, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon and never miss a video from Engineering Network. Okay, as you can see, we have a single flight staircase, and with the help of it we will try to understand about basic parts of a staircase. Now you must have a staircase in a building, and being a civil engineer you should know why staircase has so much importance in a multi-story building. So the purpose of staircase is to provide access from one floor level to another floor level in a building. So let's take a section of a staircase, and with the help of that let's discuss the various parts of a staircase. So as you can see, the vertical distance which is covered in one step is called riser, and the horizontal distance which is covered in one step is called thread, and the combination of one riser and one thread is called a step. So now we can also say that a staircase is actually a combination of number of steps which helps to reach from one floor level to another floor level in a building. Now in the process of rising up the staircase from the starting level to the last one, the total horizontal distance covered by the staircase is called the total going or the total run. A staircase rises from the horizontal by some angle, and that angle is called pitch of the staircase, and the limit for the pitch is 25 degree to 42 degree, which means that we can provide minimum of 25 degree pitch and maximum of 42 degree pitch. And you can also find out this angle by yourself with the help of a simple formula, and we will discuss that in our next video. In the RCC staircase, the structural slab supporting the staircase load is called the waist slab. Usually we take its thickness as 6 inches. The point where the riser and thread meet with each other is called nosing. On reaching to the next level or floor, a person steps on the first step is called landing, and there will be two landing in one flight of a staircase. Every staircase has a handrail along with it, and the person who is going up to the next level used that handrail as a support. The height of handrail can be found out from the point where riser and thread meet with each other, and the combination of number of steps is called a flight. So these are some basic parts of a staircase. Now let's discuss some basic formulas which is used during the designing of a staircase. First, let us understand about how we can calculate the size of riser and thread of a staircase. So the formula for calculating the riser or thread is 2 into rise plus going is equal to 24. Here in this formula 24 is basically in inches, right? And the going represents thread of a step. Now in this formula we only need one term. Either we need riser or we need thread. So if we have given riser, then we can easily find out thread, or if we have given thread, then we can easily find out the riser of the staircase. So in this case, let's say we have a riser of 7 inches. So by using the formula 2 into 7 plus going is equal to 24, and after solving it we will get the value for thread which is equal to 10 inches. So now we can say that if we have a riser of 7 inches, then we will provide a thread of 10 inches. And this is one method from which we can find out size of riser and thread. But there is also another method, and by using that we can also easily find out the size of riser and thread for a particular building. So let's discuss that method as well, which is based on ACI codes. So as per ACI 31804 codes, the limit for riser is 6 inches to 9 inches, and the ideal size of riser in residential building is 7.5 inches, and in commercial building the ideal size of riser is 6 inches. The limit for size of thread in ACI 31804 code is 9 inches to 12 inches, and the ideal size of thread in residential building is 10 inches, and in commercial buildings the ideal size of thread is 8 inches. So these are basically some kind of limits for riser and thread And if you keep these limits in your mind, then you will not need to remember the formula for calculating the size of riser and thread. You can easily select your size from these limits according to the type of building that you are constructing. Now let us understand about calculating number of riser for a given height between two floors. Suppose the floor to floor height is 10 feet, which is equal to 120 inches. And let us assume that the height of one riser is 8 inches, which is equal to 0.667 feet. So the number of riser will be equal to floor height divided by height of one riser. So 10 feet divided by 0.667 feet, and it is equal to 15. So now we can say that we have 15 number of risers. Now we can also find out the size of one riser from the above formula. For that we only need to divide floor to floor height by number of riser, and it will give you the size of one riser. So size of one rise is equal to 120 inches divided by 15, which is equal to 8 inches. So now we have a proof that the size we assume for one riser is also 8 inches, which means that the formula that we are using is correct. So finally we can say that this particular staircase is consisting of 15 risers. So these are some basic parts and facts about designing a staircase. Staircase is very important component of a structure, not because it provides occupants the navigation, but also by seeing the staircase itself we can judge whether the staircase is designed by a skilled and professional engineer or not. So if you want to be a professionally skilled engineer, then learn the basics of staircase. Hope you will like this video. If you have any question about staircase, then let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon and never miss a video from Engineering Network. See you in the next video.